of Faduchi World 2 episode 6 ដោយអាប់នេះគឺអ្នកយើងលេងដែលហៀងហើយធូនរបស់យើងគឺបានស្លាប់ហើយ leader របស់យើងយើងបានជួយយើងតនៅខែ12ថ្ងៃ25ឆ្នាំ2024ដែរជាបាត់ថយអស់
6 weeks now since Turner was killed and I got promoted. It's Christmas. We're digging into the Ardennes forest in Belgium. So cold, we're pissing ice cubes. Gonna be one hell of a fight.
With Turner gone, we lost our protector. Paul, all I wanted was to come home a hero. Now that Pearson's in charge, I may not come home at all.
Merry Christmas, Turner.
Oh, and Turner. Pearson made farm boy over here a corporal. I wonder what you think of that.
Probably that you're the same old sack of shit, Aiello.
This ain't the time.
Turner.
Turner! Lucky son of a bitch. You're always first.
Right.
Keep eyeballing me. Yeah, get your jollies tonight, boys, because tomorrow when that convoy comes through, you're gonna be on the front line defending it. And Turner's not gonna be there. Easy! Easy. You're corporal now, huh? Yo, see how fucking easy it is. Go. Give me an excuse. Yeah, that's what I thought. 6 years I served with them. 6. Merry fucking Christmas.
Convoy's coming through, and it's up to us to make sure it gets to the Rhine. Now all we gotta do is survive the cold and Pearson.
Nice boots, College. They look new.
Yeah. Poached them off some replacement. That poor kid froze to death.
Pearson.
Wasn't so stiff with requisitions, I wouldn't have to steal.
It's okay. They weren't doing the replacement any good.
Where's that farm kid I used to know?
You see him, give me a holler.
Hell of a Christmas, eh, Philip?
Oh, yeah. Why would I want to be cuddled up by a nice warm fire with my gal? When I could be freezing my ass off with you bastards.
Oh, shit. Incoming.
Aiello, get back on that MG.
Yes, Sergeant.
Sergeant, any extra coats or blankets?
You look just fine to me. East dugout got hit all night. Grab an ammo box, you're gonna resupply.
I'll take that ammo. Aiello's gonna run dry.
Well, I guess you better make every goddamn shot count.
Put me within a mile of Mr. Kittler. Party's over now.
McClaskey, I'm not sure what's worse.
Got some ammo, fellas.
Looky here. The regular old St. Nick.
Throw it under our tree.
What'd you bring us? Chocolate? My socks?
Shit, Kraut's over the hill, 12 o'clock. Gun jam! Daniels, take him out! Fire! Man down!
Was that it? Scan for more. There's another! Great shooting, James. That Kraut won't be reporting back.
How the hell are they getting past the 88?
You better go check in at the command tent.
I don't see nothing! What's going on? Who's shooting? They got him! They got him!
You see anything?
Get ready for it! What the hell was that all about? Was that us? Gear up and get out there! Now! Check the line! You see him? Go, take it back! I need a couple men over here on the double! Go ahead. I've got you. Seems like stateside. I'm walking.
Oh, Corporal. I got a treat for you. This is Howard.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Sorry, I didn't expect
To work alongside such a fine engineer.
Howard was part of the company that took the ridge. I can't believe they let him fight.
Oh yeah, even let us die. Now, when this convoy rolls through, Krauts are gonna unleash hell.
Thought we had reserves coming.
We are the reserves.
Sergeant, we should call in air support.
Look at that. Daniels here just remembered he was a corporal.
Radio's working now.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on any help. Our flyboys got their hands full.
Here and they have supplies. Grab what you can.
Now we just gotta make sure these guys get to the ride.
Yeah, if there are any bridges left.
There's that holiday spirit investment.
I got ammo and food. Merry Christmas, fellas. Incoming! Move your ass! Daniels, let's move! Let's move! Right behind you!
I think it's over. You all right? I'll live. They're softening us up for an attack.
We need to find Pearson.
This way.
Front armors inbound and they cut our lines!
There's a radio and old CP. You provide fire support. I'll get it working. That CP's on top of the enemy.
Hey, you're a corporal now, goddammit! Start acting like one!
You can't expect us to go out there with him.
You're from Queens. Nothing new.
If you say so.
Hey, I was an NCO. Give up my stripes to be here. Now we need to move. Now.
Lead the way. Let's go topsy-turvy.
Wait until I punch you in their nose.
Hey, you get it done.
Howard dies, we're all screwed. Daniels, let's go. The Krauts are coming.
Use your hand. Over here. Get to the radio. Enemy near the tree line.
I got it. It's got to hell.
Just
gonna take some time. Keep them occupied.
Easy for you to say.
Check out. Cover me. Shit. Shit. We're safe. We're surrounded. Then, keep them time. Howard, you gotta hurry. Then. Taking fire. Dude, coming from the woods. That radio better be working. Howard, you gotta hurry. Then. Taking fire. Dude, coming from the woods. That radio better be working. That radio fixed yet. All right, it's working. Call for air support. Then, make the call. Rover Joe, this is Dagwood, White 5, requesting close air support. Over.
Copy that, Dagwood White 5. Air support is already tasked with heavy bomber support. ETA unknown. Over. 509, this is command. We've got an emergency request for close air support. Pull your squad once you've reached the target area.
Copy, command. We'll adjust once these heavies are safe. Course change complete. We're 3 minutes out from target location. Let's keep these heavies clean. Coming up on anti-aircraft fire. Taking evasive maneuvers to avoid flak. Hold formation. Stay tight to the big birds. Let's get near the front of the flight group. Looks like the flak is letting up. Keep your eyes peeled for crowds. Course change complete. We're 3 minutes. Coming up on anti-aircraft fire. Taking evasive maneuvers to avoid flak. Hold formation. Stay tight to the big birds. Let's get near the front of the flight group. Looks like the flak is letting up. Keep your eyes peeled for crowds. Bandits inbound, 2 o'clock high. I see him. Let's keep them off those bombers. Break formation. Another group at 9 o'clock. Coming back. car. There's a crowd behind you.
Not on!
Get that bogey up! Stop! Watch to your right! target area. Give those heavies some room. Cut the chatter and form up on me. Command, this is 509er. We've cleared the heavies and are ready for air support.
Copy, 509. We've got enemy infantry and armored vehicles engaged with the 9th Armored Division. Over.
Rover Joe, this is Dagwood, White 5. We're getting overrun. Where the hell is that air support?
Stand by, Dagwood White 5. Aircraft inbound 50 miles out. Over.
Get out of here, move! Move! Gotta get back to the line! Move, Daniel! Go! You're right behind us! Tell me you got that radio working! Air support's on its way! We're not gonna last! Try to hold them off a little longer! Keep your eyes on that tree line.
I need that aid kit. Here.
Stay alert. Krauts will be back any minute. radio still works. Affirmative. Calling an airstrike on those tanks.
They're inside the safety.
Read it where I tell you. Not through.
It's too close.
Over. You need immediate support tonight. Fire equipment. Bradley.
913-820.
913-820. Go. Cover. Austin.
Ask me after my ears start ringing.
I can't feel my hand. It's because I'm sitting on it. Oh, God.
Rushing for you, Corporal. The longest Pearson been out of his goddamn mind.
It's above my pay grade.
Probably get a medal for it.
Well, that wasn't so bad.
We're all lucky to be alive.
For now. Daniels, take those Krauts to bosses.
Yes, sir.
And be quick about it. Hey, I've seen that look before. It's right before Kasserine. We're on our own, boys.
Despite Pearson's best efforts to kill us, we made it and defended the convoy. Stopped the enemy's Hail Mary dead in his tracks. Turner would have been proud.
Chapa feliz en el anime. Fissen med den av bild och granit.
Pearson's gone to a dark place. I can feel myself getting dragged down with him. But I gotta stay sharp if I'm gonna make you proud, brother.
Was bitte?
What's he want?
Here.
God damn it, what are you doing, Zussman?
Lay off, Sergeant.
What's that? Huh? How's that, huh? How's that work for you?
Much better.
You son of a bitch.
Sergeant.
Hey, you stay out of this.
Hey, stop! Jason! Jason! He's not worth it! Daniels! Don't Kraut. Why'd you run? You must be hiding something. Son of a bitch was holding out on us.
The fuck's this say?
These are orders to plant explosives on the bridge in Remagen. Ordnance is gonna be loaded onto trucks 5 miles north of here. If I'm reading this right, it's the last bridge standing across the Rhine.
Well, ain't that something, Fritz?
Enemy trucks with explosives will be coming through here soon. We can't let them get to the Rhine. Pearson's ordered us to block the road by bringing down these trees.
Where the hell is Pearson?
Probably in some hidey hole with the detonator. And his whiskey.
You know what else gets you drunk? Hypothermia.
Not if we keep moving. Siles, you're with Pearson's group.
Just my luck.
Daniel, Zussman, you come at me while I set the final charge. Then we ambush the trucks.
Will do. Good thing we found that intelligence, huh?
One step closer to the Rhine.
We're breathing down Adolf's neck.
Just gotta stop those trucks.
I got this. Go watch the road for enemy trucks.
Up here, Daniels, you have the best view. There's our signal. Trucks are inbound.
We've got Nazi transports on the road. Howard, get up here. Hold. Wait until they're in position.
Go, go, go! Take those trucks! Could use some help!
Last wing! All clear, all clear!
We're gonna use this truck to infiltrate the enemy air base and destroy the explosives. Aiello, get it ready to move
Yes,
out.
sir.
Howard, take some men and clear the road. Quick, Styles, you with me. Let's go. We'll be coming through the gates at 0300. Find a high vantage to cover our assault so we can take out those last trucks. Hey, keep it quiet and watch for patrols. Let's move!
There's our two high points near the front gate. Must be a few ways to sneak in. Use the silenced pistol unless you want to try your luck. Quiet, crowds are everywhere. All right, now we gotta find the vantage by the gate.
We have to get to a high vantage! Near the plane! We have to keep pushing to a higher vantage!
Hurry up, we can climb the radar building for Overwatch. Pearson's coming through the gate to our right. Get ready. Scout the area. Pearson's advancing to the truck. Get ready for you! Here's the first truck! They destroyed the lead truck! Let's move to the next position! Follow me! Use some help! Here! This is bad. Jewish POWs don't get off easy.
Stay calm, it'll be okay.
That was close. You okay?
They captured Zussman.
I'm sorry about your buddy, but we need to hit that last truck now.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Zussman was captured!
Pearson comes first!
I can't leave him!
Can't lose that truck.
You disobeyed a direct order.
Then I guess you better court-martial me.
Desertion is a capital offense. So maybe I should just do us all a favor and finish the job.
Sergeant!
It's over. You got no place in my platoon. Get him out of my face.
It's gonna be okay. We'll get you patched up.
You did everything you could.
Ich bin auf der Suche nach Arbeitern. Ich werde sie inspizieren. Die und separat.
Lose the tags. Lose them. They're after Jews.
Wer sind die Juden? Die Juden. Wer sind die Juden?
Frag nicht doch, du Nazi-Stück Scheiße.
Du sprichst Deutsch. Ausgezeichnet. Welche sind die Juden?
Fick Dick.
Zeig sie mir!
We're Americans. Period.
verhaftet sie alle auf den Zug!
Wohin bringst ihr uns?
Ihr seid zum Arbeiten hergekommen und das werdet ihr auch tun!
It's been 8 weeks since Usman was captured. I'm trying not to lose hope.
Sir, tell me they found Zussman.
I wish I could, son.
Pearson didn't give a damn about him. Just like his men at Kasserine.
Kasserine? You got it all wrong, Private. Pearson was ordered to retreat, but some of his men were trapped in the pass. Couldn't bring himself to fall back without them. But he ended up just losing more trying to save them. It's never been the same. But you don't need to worry about Pearson. You're headed stateside.
Am I looking at a court-martial, sir?
Wouldn't reflect too good on the Army to punish the soldier who accelerated the whole damn war effort. That's right. The intelligence you found on that prisoner was critical in locating the last bridge across the line. Might even be a Bronze Star in your future. You're a bona fide hero.
Welcome home, Red.
From this moment on, I am not letting you out of my sight. You understand me, Corporal?
Yes, ma'am.
You all right there, Red?
We gonna talk or we gonna hunt?
You should be proud. You ruled your fear, you held your own. Nothing more you can ask of a man. It's the best feeling in the world, ain't it? Facing down hell and coming home a bona fide hero. Red? Red?
You're a bona fide hero.
To the end?
To the end. I've been discharged. Worse than that, the Krauts captured Zussman. But I ain't giving up on him, even if I got a ticket home.